The incinerator is started via the control panel. The waste bag is placed in the combustion chamber of the furnace. After the waste has been placed, the closure command is given via the panel. The temperature in the combustion chamber rises and flames start. Through the observation glass, the combustion process inside can be clearly monitored. When the combustion is complete, the ash door at the front opens. In order to clean the cooled ashes, the process is completed by discharging from the front opening with the help of a shovel.